Hey guys, it's getmetatable here, and today I will show you how to find getmetatable using only sheet engine. So what you need is sheet engine. So let's go here. New sheet engine, and you have to have 4 blocks open. I already have mine open. So when you open the sheet engine, you can say 4 blocks player beta, and you have to search for getmetatable, and make sure you untick this, and you'll find getmetatable, and just browse memory region, right click this, go to address and copy this address right here, and do a new scan and search for 4 byte exact value hex, and put this in, and this time just do scan, and then browse the memory region again, and this is the address of the string, and this is the address of lower B getmetatable. So just copy that and go to address, and you want to reverse it like this. And this is lower B getmetatable. What we want to find is getmetatable, not get lower B metatable. So here's how you find it. If you look through it, you're gonna see something like jump, and you're gonna find call and a test and a push one ESI call and push ESI call, and it's pop. And this is pretty easy to spot, guys. But this thing and this thing, you can see that this is pushing 1 to here and then call this and pushing, and this is testing the return of this call right here, and this, and test this, and jump to move this side and return, and here is looks like it push ESI call and then return. So it means that this thing right here, this is getmetatable. So let's go ahead and go there real quick. Go to that address, and yeah, this is it. This is getmetatable. And of course, now that you've done it, it's pretty easy to do. And so let's go ahead and get the address out of here. Go minus 4 blocks player beta because it's random, and then pass for 1 2 3 4 5 because it's a 32-bit process. And that's it. That's your address right there. Oh fuck. This is the address right here. 7D62BO, and that's the address. 7D62BO. And thank you for watching, guys, and please subscribe, turn on notification, and have fun exploiting whatever. Thank you for watching.